Welcome. This is how to clean iPhone speaker. So, first, of course, power down your device to avoid damage while cleaning. Just simply turn it off. Now, you could use a soft brush. So, take a clean, dry, soft, brittled brush, like a small paintbrush, and gently brush across the speaker holes to loosen dirt and dust. Another method is using compressed air, but remember to do this carefully. So use a short, gentle burst of compressed air at an angle and never spray directly inside as it may push the dirt deeper. Now, another one is cleaning putty or tape. So press a small piece of cleaning putty or painter's tape lightly over the speaker grill and peel away to lift the dirt and debris. And after that, just simply do a sound quality check by powering on your iPhone and test the sound. And you can just simply repeat the brushing if the audio still sounds muffled. And there you go.